Good afternoon. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. I was in the freezer just trying to see what else was left in the freezer. I found some ribs that was left in, just some regular spare ribs that was in the freezer. I am going to just cook them right quick. And the best and easiest way, the quickest way, I think, is an old-fashioned pressure cooker. So what we're going to do, we're going to get them out of this bag. Rinse them off just a little bit. Just lay them down in the pressure cooker. I am going to put some, it should be beef stock, but all I've got is chicken stock, but that's okay. All you got to do is cover it up. You can actually put water. If you don't have any chicken or beef stock, it will not make that much difference. We're going to put the lid on it. There it went. Okay, I finally got the lid where it will go on and shut. And all I do is I'm going to put it on and bring it to a boil. When this little thing jingles, I'm going to time it for about 20 minutes and the ribs should be done. So let's get it on the stove. I've got it on high. And when it does start to jingle, I will cut it down, but I want the pressure to build up in it. Now when the pressure builds up in a pressure cooker, this little red thing on the handle will pop up. And as long as that's popped up, it locks this handle. So you will not be able to open it, which we don't want to open it, until we take the time off of it. So let's just give it a second to start boiling. And this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. I just found these ribs and I just want to get them cooked, and then we'll put barbecue sauce on them and we'll have ribs for supper tonight or dinner. Now with a pressure cooker, you never fill a pressure cooker more than halfway full of water. No matter what you've got in there, the water should never be more than half full. And I did not do that. I think I may have an inch or more. Okay, I don't know if you can see it or not, but the little red button right here just has popped up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to time this for like maybe 20 minutes, because it shouldn't take no more than that with no more than what I've got in there. And then we're going to see what we've got. And when it gets done, we'll put some barbecue sauce on it and we'll have us some barbecued ribs. Now after you take them out of the pressure cooker, you can put them in the oven with your barbecue sauce, and you can turn it on broil and it'll get a little crispy on top. It is now jingling, so 20 minutes from now we're going to cut it off and just see what we've got. This is really a quick, short way to cook ribs. And I know everybody is going with air fryers and all now, but this is the old-fashioned way. It sure is quick and easy. Now that it's cooking real good, I'm going to cut my stove down just a little bit, get it off of high, medium, and just let it cook on. Okay, my clock has gone off and this has been cooking for 20 minutes, so what we're going to do, I'm going to cut it off. And we're just going to set it over here and let it just cool off just a little bit until the red button here drops down. So let's just let it sit right here for just a few moments. And I hope you can see that that red button right there is on this handle is standing up. So let's see what it does. Give it a second or two. Okay, I'm going to take this off of here so it will finish. There it went. And the red button has dropped down. So we're going to see what we've got. We're just going to run just a little bit of cold water over this to make sure it's unsealed. There we go. See how easy that comes off when that button goes down? There's my ribs. Just going to cut them and let's just see how tender they are. They're definitely done. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put them in the oven and put some barbecue sauce on them. I'll put my pan and I'm going to just cover it with aluminum foil to keep it from being make it an easier cleanup deal. Tonight I'm just going to use some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce on them. I'm just going to set these in the oven and I'm going to put them on broil and I'm going to let them cook just for, let's just say 5 minutes. 5 minutes and we'll see what we've got. Okay, they have been in the oven for 5 minutes, so I'm going to go see what it's done. They really look good. I think I'm going to turn them over. And I'm going to put them back in there. Whoops, that one's coming all to pieces. I'm going to put them back in there for 5 more minutes so this side will get like the other side. And again, this is nothing but spare ribs with some barbecue sauce. Reset my timer again, so let's go. Okay, my timer's gone off again. They really look good. So let's just get them on a plate. Spare ribs with Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Short video. Hope you enjoy it. Give me your comments. Come back to see me. And I want you to see how tender they are. They are really tender. Let's just take one and cut into it. Really tender. I think that's going to come off before I can get it on the fork. Okay, offer me your comments, and I'll see you next time. Bye.